Hello beautiful people, and once again welcome back to my page. So in today's video I want to teach you guys how you can produce your own perfume at home. After this video should have acquired a skill on how to make perfume so that you don't actually spend a lot of money in buying expensive perfume in the market. You can literally produce your own at home and save a lot of money, and you can use it to start up a business, a perfume business. So let's go straight into the production process and see how this was achieved. Over here are the chemicals I'll be using for this production. So you can see their names. These chemicals, you can find them at chemical shop. If it's your first time coming to my page, please do well by subscribing to my channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. If you're watching it on Facebook, please follow me. If you're watching on TikTok, please follow me. So let's get started. I will start by showing the measurement of each of my ingredients. Over here is the ethanol, which is also known as alcohol. We are making use of ethanol, not methanol. When you are making perfume, use ethanol, not the methanol. And the ethanol, we are making use of 200 grams. So I'll be measuring the next chemical, which is the water. Water is 60 ml. This water is a regular water. Use normal tap water is okay. You can use distilled water if you want to. This is the glycerin. So I'm actually highlighting their measurement though. So take note of the measurement if you want to produce at home. If you want in larger quantity, you can increase my measurement by 2 or by 3. Just increase the measurement if you want in larger quantity. Over here is the fragrance we'll be using. This is the Oud Collection oil perfume. I poured it into the mixture. Then here is the Pure Seduction oil perfume. I poured it into the mixture. You are seeing their measurements written there so that you will know how to produce at home. Then here is Baccarat oil perfume. I've also added it into our mixture. So when making perfume, you can mix several ingredients together, several fragrances together to achieve a unique scent. Then here is the fragrance booster. You can see the measurement there. So if you want to learn more on how to make stuffs like this, or if you haven't actually gotten the total knowledge on each of my ingredients and you want to learn more on perfume production, you can do it by joining my online class that goes on WhatsApp. Just chat me on any of the phone numbers I'll be displaying on the screen of this video to join our class. You can check the video description link. You'll find a link where you can click on to join the class. If you have issues joining us through the link, you can chat me on WhatsApp through any of the phone numbers I will display on the screen of this video to join our class. There you learn how to make perfume like a pro. You learn how to make stuff like the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the organic soap, the body cream, the liquid soap, the batch gel, the bleach, and a lot, including this perfume. So this is a video, so most times there are some information that you might not actually get, but once you join a training, you get most of the information so that you learn how to make stuff like this and you become what? A pro. Over here is a WhatsApp number you can chat me on to be added to our WhatsApp group. If you chat me on WhatsApp, there's no point calling, just chat me on WhatsApp and I will send you the training link to join, where you can now join our class and learn stuff and become a pro. You will also be given certificates after the training. So there's a lot you achieve. Then we also have ebooks for sale, just in case you will not be able to join our class because of time and your busy schedule. You can purchase our ebook. Our ebook are actually very informative and affordable. It's informative and very affordable. It has a lot of production, formulation recipes, and step-by-step instruction on how to produce them. They are found in our ebook. So you can purchase the ebook or choose to join our class, or you can choose to get the two. That is, joining the class and purchasing the ebook. You can choose to get the two at once. Then also we have a lot of equipment for soap makers. If you are a soap maker, then you need an equipment. Maybe you are into soap making and you need equipment to improve your soap making skills or to go into the soap making business. Do well by reaching me on WhatsApp. We have varieties of soap equipment. varieties of soap molds, we have soap cutters, we have soap groove makers, we have soap trimmers, we have soap stamps, and the rest. Do well by chatting me on WhatsApp to purchase your soap making equipment. Don't worry, after this video I will show you the pictures of our equipment. You can reach me on WhatsApp. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment down to your location. And this is no scam zone. We don't scam people. We don't scam anybody. You purchase, we send it down to your location. Don't forget, we deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment down to you. And we can also send to places like Ghana and Cameroon for now. We can send to Ghana and Cameroon. We can send our equipment to where? Ghana and Cameroon. No scam zone. So do well by chatting me on WhatsApp to purchase our equipment or to get any of our services. So over here is the soap molds we have. You can see how beautiful they are and easy to use. See another type. So just reach me on WhatsApp to get any of our services. And don't forget to share this video. Share it with your friends. There's a lot of people that want to learn lucrative skills like this. Please share these videos with them. Let them learn how to make stuffs and how to start up businesses. These are wonderful businesses people want to learn. Please share and follow me. And don't forget to drop your comments where you do not understand what I did in that video. And please like this video. When you do those things, it gives my video a lot of engagement, and my pages suggest my videos to other people. Goodbye, have a lovely day, and see you next on my next video.